Josie in Orlando. Are you ready to do another unboxing? This is a big box we got here today. It's a 22 by 20 by 20. So let's find out what's inside. Let me hook up here. Put the camera like this so you guys can see. Actually, see what's the best. You know what? I'll just hold it for a second. Let's just open the box. All right. Let's open her up. Here we go. Got a lot of toys. Just a little switch here. Some Mattel toys that came in. Oh, they moved the stuff out of the way here. My daughter was doing some projects. So. Oh, this is the Jurassic World Super Colossal. So these are two very large Jurassic Park toys. See, I could grab one out. Do this one-handed. Hold on. There you go. Let's open one up and see what it looks like. I put my knife. Alright. Let's go like this. I got two of these. And I think some Funko Pops. Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous. This is the Rex. Wow. She's bigger than I thought. Alright, let me go like this. Put you guys here on the table. Sorry for the moving. So I can set up this tripod. My tripod doohickey broke. So I was at the store yesterday and forgot to buy another one. Let's see if this will hold the weight. Would you hold? Let's see. Oh, there we go. It's holding. Okay. Yeah, whoa, wow, she's a monster. She's a monster. Check it out. Wow, that is nice. Anyone who likes dinosaurs for sure will like this one. This is a big one. Compare this is my hand. Oh, that's one. My hand's about 6 inches, just to let you know. So that's 6, 12, about 18 inches long. That's cool looking. And I got these from the toy company that I'm buying from. These things are, I think they were selling for like 80 bucks or something on eBay. What I'll do is that I'll search eBay after I do this video, and then I'll go ahead and attach it to the back of this video so you guys see how much these are going for. But yeah, it's a cool looking dinosaur. Look at that eye. Looks like he's looking right at you. They did a really nice job on this one. So I'm going to try to put this on eBay. I'm going to put it on OfferUp and Let Go, and then I'll let you guys know where it sells. But let me get the Funko Pop ones out now too. Put this back here on the table. I think I went too far down. See if I'll hold. Oh. No. Alright, hold on. Let me just get the other box out here. There we go. Get a little close up again of this bad boy. It's nice looking. Alright, and these were Funko Pops that I saw that were, I think I doubled my money on these. I forgot which one came in. I had ordered some other cool toys that should be coming in this week as well. Don't do it too hard on the box. Alright, let me try to grab one here. I want to ruin the box. There we go. Yeah, dang it, I had it. Here we go. Oh, this is a pretty big one. This is Dragon Ball X624. It's an exclusive. And I forgot what I paid for these. But I know that whatever I paid for them, I can double my money on eBay. But I'll look these up as well afterwards. And then I will put it... That's a cool looking pop there. It's pretty big too. It's a big pop. But I'll look up what they're worth, and then I'll attach that to the back of this as well. But that was the in the box is another one more of the dinosaurs, and the rest is just cushion. They do a really good job in securing the boxes, so I like that about this company. But okay, so that's what I got for the unboxing for today. I got 2 of those bad boys and 3 of these, and then I will attach the video of what they are going for right behind this video, so stay tuned because here comes the update. Alright, let me see. eBay, I just looked this up. Okay, so the Great Ape that I was looking up, I believe I paid $7 for it, and it's selling for about $30 to $25 to $30. So definitely gonna double my money on that. I'm gonna put that up right away. And now let's scan the Rex here. Let me get the barcode. And go to camera. And just scan this barcode. And oh, didn't pick up that barcode. Let me see if it's got another one here. I have to type it in. Let me try again. It was upside down. That shouldn't matter, but either way. Let me try to get that. Oh, now I picked it up. Okay, so as you can see, someone's trying to sell it for $175 and $89. That one's used. This is trending at $84.99. I believe I paid $40 for this one. Let's go to the filter. Oops. Let's go to the filter. What actually sold for, because that's just what people want to buy it for, but that's what the actual sold is. So we got 80 that have sold so far, and they're selling for about $90. 89, 84, 89, 85. Someone got ripped off there for 50. Oh, but then he did $59 shipping, so actually he ended up with 118. 84, 84, 90. Okay, so I ended up paying $40 for these dinosaurs, and as you can see, I can double my money. Sell them for about $89. 84, $89.99 is not a bad deal. As you can see up on top, this was sold today actually for $89.99. So we're gonna go ahead and click on there, and I'm gonna list it as I'm here on the phone with you guys. If you find something that you like, so you sold 3, he's got 3 more available. Just go to the bottom of the screen here and you click on sell one like this. Click on that. And it's gonna bring it up there. And then you want to add your own photos. So let me move stuff over here so I can get a nice picture of the dinosaur that I have. I'm going to do it right here on my kitchen table. So I'll take a picture. I'm going to climb up. so I get a nice photo of it. There we go. I'm gonna move it over here. Oop, I'm gonna rotate the picture though when it loads, just to get a better view of it. Go like that, take a picture. Then we're gonna do a close-up on the actual dinosaur, because that's cool looking. We'll do a close-up on the kid. Ages 4 and up. And then we'll do a close-up on this. Alright. Then we're gonna click on done. Take us to the next screen. Click on these pictures, see if we can rotate them. Click on the picture. We're gonna rotate it. Where'd it go? There you go. Rotate it, rotate it. And then we're gonna cut it down a little bit so it's just really just the box and not my kitchen table. Apply and save. Do that to the other one. We're gonna rotate it. It actually came out nice. We're gonna save it. Do that to the next one. I'm gonna rotate it and save. And now this one. Now I'm gonna rotate it and save. All right, now what I want to do is that this third picture, I want that to be my main picture, so I'm going to tap on it and I'm just going to drag it over. Drag it over one more. That's now going to be my main picture. I'm going to go back. There are your photos. Let's change this up here. You put new inbox, Rex Park. I'm going to say I'm gonna add toy, I'm gonna add kids, and dinosaur. Actually, I might get rid of kids and put dinosaur instead. Because some people like to, like my cousin, her son loves dinosaurs, and she actually uses that as a keyword when she's looking for stuff for him. So everything there seems about right. Description, because that's not going to go first class, so it's going to go priority. I changed that to priority. Condition is new, everything else looks good. I'm going to go to pricing and hit edit. Let's switch that over to buy it now. And we know that it's going for about $89.95. Under more options, we're going to put that we have 2 of them. Change that to 2. Then we're going to hit the back button to get back to our listing. We're going to change this to free shipping. Let's see, standard 2 business days, free shipping. Alright, so this costs $40. It's probably going to cost about $20 to ship. So that's $60, $70, $90. So you're going to make about $20 after fees and everything on here. We're not going to promote it. I don't promote it right away. What I do is I let it ride for a day or two to sell it faster. You can always click on there. You can see what it's going to cost you to promote it. The average rate is 4.2, and if it's promoted, it's going to cost you $3. So you'll probably make 15 to 20, 15, maybe after shipping, between 15 and 18, let's say. So I'm going to go ahead and, $3 is not going to kill me. I'm still going to make profit, which is cool. And I'm going to list my item. And that's how you can list. It's as simple as that. So it's going to say success. You want to view your listing? Yes. Let's see what it looks like on the old eBay. And see, that's the first picture. So it's a little different because some people have this as the first picture. Or that as the first picture, which is not bad. But, when you're looking through the pictures, you want something that pops out. And I think this pops out a lot more than that. So that's how you do a listing right away off your phone. Would that take us 3 minutes to put a listing up? So now I'll put this back in the box, and then I will list the Popco ones that I just got, the Funko Pops. And then in 10 minutes, I've got 2 listings up and running. So hope you enjoyed this video. Always a pleasure to do videos for you guys. Once these sell, I will do another sell video and show you that they sold. But until then, have a great weekend, everyone. And remember, you can't sell if you don't list. This is Josie in Orlando, and we'll see you in the next video. Make sure to give us a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe so you can see when new videos come up. See you next time.